Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install apps from unknown sources on the Google Pixel 10 Pro. To install apps from unknown sources, you will need to go to, for example, Google Chrome or any other place where you can download apps from unknown sources. Then we'll need to find an app that is an APK file. So I'm like thinking right now, what can I get? I think I can get like Fortnite APK. Okay, I will be able to download the Epic Games Store. So to do it, I'll translate the page. I can just go to that. I can download it. Yeah, so now it says there's a file that ends with .apk, which is a file for apps. Let's download anyway. Now it's downloading the file, and now I can open it, but in order to install it, I should actually enable the unknown sources. Although I have it already enabled for Google Chrome, I'll explain why for Google Chrome. I'll explain everything in a moment, but first let's go to like Files app, for example. And now I can find the Epic Games Store. And now for security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. You can change this in settings, so let's go to settings. Now allow from this source, click on install, and now the app is being installed. And what it does is it allows the app that you used to open the APK file with to be able to open that app, that file. Because typically APK files, by default you cannot open them without allowing installing unknown apps, and you need to allow it for all the different apps that you're gonna try to open it with. And now if I go to the settings, because I can also enable it manually from the settings by going here, then apps, then there's gonna be special app access. Now there's gonna be install unknown apps, and you can see I have Chrome allowed and Files by Google allowed. Now Epic Games is not allowed, so if I go to Epic Games that I have just installed, I can click on Get Started. It says I need to log in. Let's see if I really need to. Yeah, I think I already do. I'm just gonna quickly sign in, and I'll show you that here again. If I try to install Fortnite from the Epic Games Store, then it'll ask me for the unknown sources permission. Okay, and now as you can see, I am logged in, and if I go to Fortnite, I can download it. Let's click on allow. And now it'll get downloaded soon, so I'll get back to you. Yeah, and this time again, when I download an app, I need to allow Epic Games to install from this source. Now, I think I messed it up. Okay, yeah. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.